Hello.
Uptown Swing.
Level 3 tempo plus.
Right.
That's us. We reviewed Forward Swing Out.
Yeah.
Which you did last week, but just once again, step back.
We did a little, hey, this way we go. Straight back instead of turning leaders. The other thing we talked about for leaders is this left hand. We just let it paste on that hip. Don't do anything weird with it.
Followers, we talked a bunch about swivels. Because again, just like with everything, when you dance faster music, you don't want to spend any additional energy and like lose your limbs. So this is swivel just with the knees. We talked about swivel actually with your butt, which comes from here, for me at least. And get a little bit lower, like this. Not in this like chair pose. It's a little weird and kind of more difficult.
Yeah. Then we did some jig kicks. We had you start just with yourself, right? Boom, boom. Val's doing it with the actual feet. We really just had you move your hips back and forth. That's the key. If you have a friend, you can do this little thing where they make some goalposts and you can bump their hands.
So it's not this, but it actually swings side to side. Partner.
We had you hug your friends.
Yeah.
That was nice. We had leaders talked about the connection, nice and close, pacing that hand on the back, nice and relaxed. And we had you boom, 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 and then you started to rotate it. Boom, you can keep on going, or you can do the 6-count pattern. And that's what we did. Bye!